Welcome to San Antonio Dodge Chrysler Jeep Ram. Our dealership offers the San Antonio DCJR Advantage, a program designed to enhance and protect your vehicle. We take steps to protect your vehicle inside and out with the application of exterior paint protection as well as interior fabric protection. To preserve and increase the longevity of your vehicle, we provide headlight UV protection to maintain brightness and prevent oxidation, as well as door edge and cup guards to protect against chips and scratches. Preparing you for the road ahead, you'll receive a car care welcome kit with travel size products, keeping your vehicle looking its best. For performance, we apply a military-grade rain treatment to the windshield, nitrogen-filled tires for better fuel economy, and a non-toxic antimicrobial surface shield to protect against germs. To help deter theft, this program utilizes discrete anti-theft marking on specific panels or door jambs throughout your vehicle. In the event your vehicle is totaled due to a collision, we offer an exclusive $2,500 loyalty credit that can be used to replace your vehicle. Additionally, if your vehicle is stolen, we will cover your insurance deductible up to $2,500 towards a replacement vehicle at our dealership. For further details, please speak with your dealership representative. For additional peace of mind, you also gain comprehensive digital fraud protection for you and your entire family. Our all-in-one solution provides real-time monitoring of your credit score, social security number, and financial accounts, alerting you to any suspicious activity and ensuring your information remains secure. Pre-owned vehicles receive an AC system refresh to provide fresh, clean air and protect against mold, mildew, and bacteria. New vehicles become eligible for an AC system refresh 1 year after date of purchase. We also provide window tint for enhanced privacy and security, along with a screen protector to protect against scratches. Our 24/7 roadside assistance, including towing, lockouts, and jump starts, is just a call away. Access all your program benefits, schedule service, and browse our inventory using our exclusive mobile app. Experience the San Antonio DCJR Advantage at San Antonio Dodge Chrysler Jeep Ram today.